Happy Saturday, everyone. It's Trisha at Acres of Dreams, and today I started early. Started working using my solar, my solar light really early this morning, and was able to get started before it's really starting to get hot already. But anyway, I'm moving the vineyard from up the hill down to here, and so I've already got the one side done, and I have to put the other three sections up today and get that finished, and then hopefully get my lawnmower working. If not, I'm gonna have to go get a lawnmower. But anyway, I just wanted to show you that I have all of these wild blackberries and maypops. And if you don't know what a maypop is, well, they're passion flowers. The flowers are absolutely gorgeous, but they have a fruit on them, and maypops, you can use them and eat them. I didn't do that last year, and I just mowed all of it down. And this year I thought, well, where I can have a vineyard, I'm going to try to see if I can get these blackberries. They're wild blackberries everywhere. Get them trained to go up the post. And so I have brought all the posts down from up at the top of the hill, and I've got some grapes already planted. You can see on that side and that side. And then I'm hoping to get these wild blackberries growing up, and end up having multiple vines. Um, Now they are sticky and they hurt, but I'm not planning on keeping all of them, just a few. And and I did plant some thornless blackberries, okay, but I have since read that after a year or two, they start growing thorns too. So who knows? But anyway, if anybody has any ideas about uh, how else to handle all of these wild blackberries, like they are everywhere. I mean, you can walk around in about 2 weeks. The berries are already starting to grow. You can walk around and just eat blackberries all day. But of course, I don't want a whole field full of wild blackberries. So once I get my mower, we'll mow them down. And I had planted 2 years in a row. I planted ground cover, and just didn't take. So I'm going to give it one more shot. And unfortunately, we're in another drought. And there's the greenhouse. It's still in being built. But anyway, we're in another drought. And so it is probably next month we'll be flooded again like last year. It's always something on the farm. I hope you're having a blessed day, and thanks for following. And until next time, always move faithwards. Love you guys.